Yeah, we got you. We got you. It's right here. We got you. Let's listen to it. Let's listen to it. All right. It's a bad man track, eh? Come on, never heard this. Some new. Some new.
I was riding, I was sliding, they were hiding, bro said they cough. The niggas got mad.
Whoa, this is not an official track. I can tell you that already. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Four man in a car on violence. A Volvo handbrake turn. Skid reverse, perfect time, and the blade was black.
Okay, the handbrake turn. If y'all real drivers, y'all know, man. You know what I mean?
It's red, hospital bed for the pagans dying. Don't same colour as Homer, and I got same size as Yoda. Smell that sweat on a glide, different breed, I like the aroma. Last time I got round the 5, he back that big thing around through motors. Ferrari stamp on a Yola, I buy China giving things like a broker. On a 2s with Rocky just scheming. Now we on the road, no sleeping. Basic life, watching bands is stress.
Bro, wait, what do y'all think about this? Because I'm about to say some shit. I'm about to violate this. Not violate it. Like, it's not shit. It's not crazy shit, but like, yo, these niggas need an engineer and a producer, fam. What the bro, did y'all hear that? That was not mixed right at all. It doesn't even sound like it was mixed. Dead it off. How long is this? Wait, let's give it a little bit, a few more minutes. We gotta give it a chance. Sadbert, who the fuck is who's Sadbert? And who are these niggas? Is that them? Like, who are these niggas, bro? Like, I'm so. And why is his face covered out of all of them? Someone please explain this. 2Smokeyy, yeah, I reacted to him. 2Smokeyy is cold. That boy is valid. 2Smokeyy Mali. Oh yeah, you guys did want that. You guys did want that. I'm gonna add that later. Remind me. Y'all remind me. Y'all did want that. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's them? Okay. Well, I know these niggas. For one, these niggas this is either an old ass track because 2021. Well, this is a problem. These niggas are when they were broke, right? Because this nigga still got wires on his shit. You know what I'm saying? He still got wires. And I know any bad man, any road man, they don't want to seem broke. So wires don't exist. They don't exist.
Perfect time and the blade was black, but now it's red. Hospital beds with the pagans dying. Pop them doors. How you need your charge, they run away, then breathe from far. It's a hasty thing when we splash their doggies. I don't turn up, but I turn up with a turn and turn up like Carney. Apologies, auntie. If your song got juice, then turn up red like Cardi. AG, that's active gang. Hashtag anywhere goes, we bang. Splash head, neck, back, and chest. If bro splash legs, then bro go back.
Wait, who's this? This nigga's tough.
Anywhere goes, we bang. We splash head, neck, back, and chest. If bro splash legs, then bro go back.
You said, I don't want this shit to end up like, yo, I love you, nigga. I love you, bro. Appreciate you for real.
With the last of the rope, with the whole of the weight of the hood on my back. No gym till 5 with 6 in the spin, man. Carry that weight when I rise and tan. I was riding.
It's too, nigga, Smokey's tough then. Because I didn't even know. Man has requested this for 2 hours and it's. Nah, he violated you. Imagine you guys are at a jam. Or a jam, we call it a jam, but a party, right? Imagine y'all at a party, the nigga said, yo, put this track. No one's wanted to play it. And then the one time he has the aux, nigga fucks up. This is exactly what just happened. The dingus got mileage. 4 man in a car on balance. A Volvo handbrake turn. Skid reverse. Perfect time and the blade was black. Skid reverse? Oh, he's a driver.
Pagans dying. Alright bro, just spin that thing back. Just see me, you then about to turn in pack. Clutch down, put the gear with one whole clip.
Oh, these niggas are drivers though. We love you though. We love you. Wait, these niggas are driving, but in the UK, fam, are all your cars manual? Because in America, fam, it's completely different. It's like we're having automatic whips. And manual's a feature, you know? It's not even true automatic. There's no clutch. I mean, true manual.
Perfect timing, right man off. My gang was sliding slightly.
Most are down.
To your fucking son, cause hospital beds that they lie you on. Whole gang on violence, fuck them tridents. Why you think they lock big M in the box?
I was riding, I was sliding, they were hiding.
Alright. Hey, CK is the last one. Yo, all men them in here. Y'all remember this. Yo, I'm glitching. That was a crazy glitch right there. He said CK fam. The man said the track is tough. Now no man's mess with the track. Now he says wait for the last part. So you better not fumble because there's no more excuses. Well, hop on Discord, my J. Yeah, I'ma hop on, fam. Did you guys get the link for my Discord? Go on my Twitch and go on the about, and you can see the link, and I'm gonna allow you guys in. I don't even know how it works, but I was just told to make one.
Just got mileage, 4 man in a car on balance. A bobo handbrake turn, skid reverse, perfect time. And the blade was black, but now it's red. Hospital beds with the pagans dying. Get a man down with bro, get a man down with hitch.
Whoa.
Why is the sister go, open go, don't miss.
No way, this is the nigga. He said, here we go. No way, this is the nigga you wanted to listen to. Because as soon as I heard his voice. Cold? This shit is hot, nigga. This is not cold. Why is he talking in slow-mo? Nah, real shit. Nah, I'm mad. Yeah, I feel bad for chicken too, fam. But don't, fam. I'm black. I love you. You know what I'm saying? I love chicken. So don't worry, fam. I'll be here forever. I'll be here with you forever, fam. Don't worry. You know?
Man, I swear that bitch is diva. But the way she dropped down on 2 knees and sucked that bush like Lisa up.
Bro, did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that, bro? Fam, did you guys hear that? The man said what? The man said that was a crazy glitch in the transmission. There was a problem with the transmission because it was not changing gears properly. Listen to this.
Man, I swear that bitch is diva. But the way she dropped down on 2 knees and sucked that bush like Lisa.
The way she dropped down on 2 knees and sucked that. Whoa, broski. Excuse me, sir. What?
I need a bad bitch like Katrina on the up block is real. Catch man looking at the light.
Wow, that nigga is going way too fast, fam. That nigga is going, bro. He put the gear way too high and he's not moving, fam. What is going on?
Get man down, I love that thrill. My young boy, he ill, still trying to confirm that kill. All fighting was 14 with sus and dogs, just doing up iPhones and tills. Now one bando living with bro. Chat just breaking out bits like Ace and Rich, you know. Us man, they're just gunners. Them man, they're just runners. Back my weapon, ducking, duck that goosey ducking. Bitch, I'm sick of taddy ucking. Just bend that back, let me brock it. 2 shows in the back in the brocky. Got more on the
2Smokeyy carried.
No belly, just type my hoodie. Pull up gang was goody. They're often rookies. They crumble like cookies. How could I
nah.
when all they do is snitch? JJ stood up in court, testified against things. Skelly started running for me, screaming girls. Like, come here, you prick. Cuz looked at me like he saw a ghost. Wasn't on piss.
Holy, this is what a failed storyteller sounds like. This is exactly what a failed storyteller. What the? Because I can hear him. He's trying to say his story and he's trying to, like, combine words. And no, there's no way. CK dead out, bro. CK is. This is. Wait, this is him? No, chicken. I might have to turn vegetarian after this, bro. Because this is not allowed, fam. What the
And don't forget about flips, got smoked in the gym. How many of the ops got smoked? Joe to Joe, how you doing?
Oh,
That's my bro.
CK's beefing with the beef. Yo, no way.
One life, kept it 100. Cause my niggas ain't nothing but drillers and gunners.
With a habit man lean on bot, make anyone lean and drop. One day's format, not cut you with a beta spot on a pagan spot. Can last by 10 I'm off. Bro, lean out the window with the dots. Ish got stuck where he should've got. Can't fucking with GG not. Why retaliation so quick?
Wow.
Man tried.
Nah, did he say he was joking? No, he said he was joking. Nigga, chicken, you can't make. No, there's no joking. No, you request. This nigga said the title like 5 times, bro. Like, to the point it got my attention. And now we're playing it. And this shit is complete ass. Oh my god. Smokey's part is the hardest part.
Back to the street for the bullies. That's normal with GG Tubbs. Back to the street for the bullies. That's normal with GG Tubbs.
Oh, yeah, beat feels offended. Stop.
Got a new plug. Arm in the ends with Dan or Dan, trying to get rid of this grub.
I was riding, I was sliding, they were hiding, bro said they cough.
Oh,
The niggas got
my
mileage,
God.
go land in a car and violence. Hey, Bobo, handbrake.
Bro, next time I hear someone say, or not even here, next time I see that someone requested CK, I'm gonna purposely skip it, fam. This is gonna turn, CK is turning into a pot of pepper. He's turning into a pot of pepper because, nah. Bro, delete this, fam. Nah, real shit, fam. Nah, this might have to leave. It's kind of jokes, though, but this might have to get out, fam. Y'all really want me to stop this? This might have to leave, bro. I'm gonna do it if y'all want me to. They gotta take 2Smokey's name off. Yeah, nah, it's because it's even disrespectful to him. Nah, let's see the comments. Oh, I know the comments they're violating. One guy sounds like he's trying to, oh, like he's being tortured and forced to rap. Oh, the beat is actually good. 2Smokey's shell, the usually alert sounded like he was trying not to cry. Oh, see, it's not only me, fam. Nah, this is yeah, I've been Mali, fam. I've been getting that requested a lot. All right, yeah, we're done with this. We're done with this.